Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, Katana! Let's go! Okay, so we have here DC Heroclix Katana. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure from WizKids, and you can see she is proud of her heritage as a Japanese because she's wearing it in her mask. This is an exclusive figure, I think only available during events and of course in the WizKids store online. Okay, this is the full image of Katana, and at the back just a little zoom in. This is 14 years old and above and released 2024. Okay, so this particular product I got online though from eBay as one of the auction items. I remember we had this as pricing during our I would love to say ROC or CCO, so either one of those events. Unfortunately, I did not get her at that time, meaning I did not place well in that tournament, but now I have her and I'd like to take a look at the figure. Okay, and that's the piece. She is surprisingly holding a katana. So love the translucent effect, and you can see her jumping. She's about to stab someone, I guess, from behind with her, you guess it, katana. Okay, so base is tight, not so tight, okay, but it is pristine as it is mint in seal box. Okay, the sculpt seems a little smaller than the usual scale. That's my sense, at least. But I need to have a comparison figure. But anyway, let's look at her card. Katana is DCD24-005, and she has the Outsider's team ability. And keywords are Birds of Prey, Outsiders, Martial Artist. She has a couple of traits. The first one, the Hunt Continues, which is stealth and will power. Okay, very appropriate for her as a martial artist. And she has a second trait, Soul Taker Sword. That's the name of Katana's sword. When Katana KOs an opposing standard character, instead of placing it in your opponent's KO area, turn it to any click and place it on her card. They are still scored. And of course, Katana can use the standard attack and standard damage powers displayed on that characters on her card. Okay, and that means you can have her KO multiple opposing characters, and all of them will be placed on the card, and accordingly Katana can use their attack and damage powers. Okay, I think that's one thing I remember from her in the shows, that her sword is really what makes her OP, and able to go toe in toe with other meta humans because of the Soul Taker sword. Okay, I just hope that in the future we get an actual equipment for that Soul Taker sword so that we can equip it to someone else. Okay, she has improved movement characters, and you can see the dial is pretty, what you see is what you get, and consistently full dial charge, full dial blades, full dial combat reflexes, and vanilla damage power. Okay, so which is appropriate because she will start off with basic sword and then gets more attack and damage power, care of the Soul Taker excuse me, sword when she KOs someone. She's only 40 points but 66 clicks, I guess, so that's really a good thing. And she has the Outsiders, that is choose a character including herself within 6 squares and line of fire. Until your next turn, the chosen character's combat values can't be modified. Okay, so you just have to be careful though, because again, the what you call this, that also works against her in terms of combat reflexes. So you might want to do that towards your enemies. Okay, I'm not so sure though whether if you outsider her, then that means you can do in a sense full movement charge. Okay, because charge means half range, and again because of the outsiders you cannot modify the half range, so it becomes 8 charge with the blades claws. Okay, so if I'm mistaken, please mention in the comment if that works as I mentioned. Okay, her real name is Tatsu Yamashiro. Suicide Squad number 3, 2016 is the significant appearance. I remember she is on a revenge, road of revenge to find her boyfriend or husband's killer. Okay, very typical of martial artist assassin. Anyway, so what is your thought about this particular figure? Do share your it in the comments. Okay, have you play tested her? I'm thinking maybe give her like a reducer, destroyer comes to mind, or animal man, and see where she goes. Until then, bye bye.